Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have the advent calendars for December 19th. And here is Ipsy. What do we got? Where we got it? Way at the top here. And it's a green box. It does say 19. It's a little heavy in there. Let's see what's in there. Oh, I've had this brand before. This is a hair care, VOR with a dot above it. So VOR, I don't know how to say it. She's Like the Wind, Invisible Dry Shampoo and Conditioner. Interesting, because look at how that is. It is a pump instead of a, usually it's a, you know, like a can of, and you spray it. I mean, what do they call that? Under pressure kind of can. So I'm not sure how this is going to work. This will be interesting. I'll have to let y'all know after I try it, if, you know, what I think about it. So, but I do like that brand. All right, and then we have our blue is right here, so I can't put that on you, blue, sorry. The Space NK for day 19 is, where is it? Oh my goodness, I don't see it. Where do you see it? Here it is. It's a big one. Okay, come on. Come on. This one, here it is, 19. And it says, the kind of top up you need this party season. Huh? I don't know what that even says or means. Okay, let's see what's in there. And now this big box. Oh, it's Tatcha. Ooh, Tatcha. Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I'm not really one to use a lot of mists, but Tatcha. It's Tatcha, y'all. They sent a book with this, so let me read about it. I'll get it out of here. Look at the packaging, y'all. Look at that. Tatcha is exquisite and elegant, and look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. There's an instruction, little manual in here, or something maybe about, but look at how pretty it is in there. Look at that. And then this is how it's packaged. Wow. All right, it has a wonderful seal on it, which I'm not going to bother with right now, but this is gorgeous. See how it's sealed very nicely, and it's gorgeous. It's the bottle, this is glass, purple lid, purple here, and then you can see that milky consistency of the spray. Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. For normal to dry skin, it says directions, shake gently, mist 2 to 3 spritzes onto face for a boost of hydration and glow under or over makeup. Oh my goodness, it's stunning. So this versatile facial mist can be used to set makeup or refresh skin whenever it needs a hydrating boost. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed, y'all. That is stunning. So that is day 19 of the Advent calendars. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. The Ipsy Advent calendar. And there is 19. And there is the product. VOR Dry Shampoo and Conditioner. This is going to be interesting. And then our Space NK, there's 19. And there's our stunning product, Tatcha. Look at that packaging. It's gorgeous. Glass bottle. Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Count your blessings, everyone.